In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move images here in Canva. Now, I've got this template just here, and as we can see, we have a couple of images. Now, if we click on there to try and move it, we can't do that. Now, why is that? That's because the image is locked, so we have to unlock it first. So what we want to do is click onto the image that we want to move, and then we're going to see this underneath, where it says lock. Now, if it's like this, it's locked. If it's like this as well, with the locked padlock, that's locked as well. So we need to click that again to unlock it, and now we can move it, just like that. Now, if you want to change out an image with this one just here, this is actually in a Canva frame. This is locked as well, which means we can't move this. But if we click on there, then unlock and unlock again, we can now move this. But let's say we wanted to replace this, because this is in a circle, which is a Canva frame. We can click on here, then we can click on the delete icon, and we have two different options: to delete the frame or to delete the image. Now, if we delete the image, we can then take a different image that we want. Let's go with this one, simply drag it into there, and now we have a new image in this frame, which we can then move. So as you can see, it's actually pretty simple to move images here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.